Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef Adrian Morris again, man, presenting to you fried chicken. Yeah, man, this is my fried chicken recipe. I hope you enjoy this one and give it a try at home. So here I have 4 chicken leg quarters that I've already washed with vinegar and water, and I kind of dry them off a bit, and I'm just going to go right ahead and season these. The best way to have a fried chicken though is to season them at least 2 days in advance before you cook it. But today, I'm just going to season them and cook them right away. The next thing to get perfect fried chicken is your oil. When you use fresh oil out the bottle, it's never good to fry your chicken. To get the best result from your fried chicken, always ensure to fry something light in the oil before. To kind of season the oil a little bit, I find that you get best fried chicken when the oil is pre-used. So you can fry some dumplings, no fish or anything like that. When you're going to fry your chicken now, then you're going to find that your chicken fried better. In my oil today, I did some fried dumplings and the videos will be out very soon. Without further delay, let's go right into seasoning. So the first thing we're going to add is some all-purpose seasoning. Black pepper, not too much, that will do. Pinch of salt, onion powder, some garlic powder, a little cayenne pepper, and of course the master, some blended Scotch bonnet pepper. This gives it such a marvelous flavor, believe me when I tell you. We're gonna go ahead and massage this right in. If you have a glove, that's best, because remember you have the spice. If you don't, wash your hands immediately after, before you do anything else, especially handling your eyes or stuff like that. So now, I'm gonna lift the skin, go under there with some seasoning. Make sure that it's seasoned up under the skin real nice. Pull back the skin off the drumstick, like that, not too much. You don't want to pull it all the way back, because when you fry the chicken, you don't want it to curl up. Alright, have a look. There we go. Nice. Alright, thing with thighs are, if you want to cook these 15 to 18 minutes maximum, you first need to get your thigh and put your thumb right at that crossbone right there, like that. And then you're going to use your other thumb and hold it at this bone at the end right there. You're just going to snap it like this. So you heard that? When you look right there, that's a joint bone right there. This is the hardest part to cook in a thigh. So once you get that broken, you're good to go. So you just kind of put that back in place and cover it like that. And then trust me, your chicken will fry so much easier. That is where you test to see if it's fried properly, right at that joint bone in the thigh. Next up, I'm going to show you how to make the flour and the liquid that we're going to dip the chicken in and all of those stuff. So follow me and see what I want. 2 eggs. Give this a nice whisk. Then to that egg, I'm going to add a bit of all-purpose, not too much, because we want the chicken to have flavor right throughout. So next up, I'm going to go in with some milk and water. So we have our egg wash ready to go. Flour. To that, I'm going to add a bit of all-purpose seasoning. So with seasoning on the chicken, under the skin, in the egg wash and in the flour, there's no reason for our chicken to be tasteless. Absolutely none. Just gonna go in with a little bit of black pepper, not too much. The black pepper to give it that, you know, KFC look. You know the thing go. Just for color, a little bit of paprika. Remember, you know, the goal is to have this thing tasting flavorful, not salty. Because we manage the salt on the chicken, that won't allow your chicken to be salty, but rather flavorful. So I will just mix this up really nice with my hand. Of course, you know my thing old school though. At this point, you want to turn on the stove, and we need it to heat up to about 300 120 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. You have a pan that you're gonna set the fried chicken on. Just gonna use some of the same flour, just lightly dust it. And we do this because sometimes you put the chicken on it, whatever juice from the chicken, you don't want it to run on this and then get it all soggy. You don't want the flour on the chicken to be soggy before you fry it. We're gonna go clockwise. So we're gonna start from the chicken, the egg wash, the flour, and then dust over that side. So follow me now. We're gonna start off first with our drumsticks. So you hold right here in that knuckle area, right here. Twist and squeeze out the air from that, so you don't have any air going up to burst the drumsticks. Put that in. Ensure to pull the skin all the way down, so when it's frying it doesn't curl up and then dry out this meat area. So we dip that in the egg and drain the excess liquid. Place them down in the flour. We start off with the legs first. What you want to do is to cover them. After we cover them, scoop and fold 10 times. 1, 2. And press. 7 press all around. Fix the legs again. Check for any bare spots. Get some flour in the hand like that and squeeze it onto whatever bare spots you may come across. As remember, you want everything to have a nice even crust. So you hold them like this and you're gonna tap your hand like that to get that excess flour off. There you have it. Look at that. Now it's time for us to deep fry these for 15 to 18 minutes, and these should be golden brown and nice. Juicy on the inside, crispy on the outside. Follow me and see what I go on. So we're gonna go in with our thighs first, being that they take the longest to cook. Gonna allow these to run for about a minute first before we add the drumsticks. Gonna add the drumsticks now. Let's make room for those so everything gets covered. Let's turn these just so this side get crisp up as well. Gonna turn these. So now it's time for us to remove our fried chicken. Let me show you what it looks like. So look at that, beautiful. And there you have it, fried chicken made easy here on Marstan Cooking It. Crunchy on the outside, nice and moist. Believe me, it doesn't get any better than this. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button because we upload every other day, so you can't afford to miss that. You know what I'm saying? So until next time, safe travel on the gravel and go and big up on yourself.
See another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.